Number 1.
There is a plant in the rainforest so terrifyingly painful that touching it feels like being burned by hot acid and electrocuted at the exact same time. In the rainforest of Australia grows the Gympie-Gympie, widely considered the world's most dangerous plant. Its broad green leaves are covered in millions of microscopic needle-like silica hairs filled with a potent neurotoxin. The moment your bare skin grazes the plant, these tiny glass needles inject poison deep into your tissue. The resulting agony is so severe that it can trigger severe allergic shock and torment victims for months or even years whenever the area touches cold water. Because the toxin is extremely stable, dried botanical specimens stored in museums for over 50 years can still inflict severe, agonizing stings if handled without specialized protective equipment.
Number 2.
There is a giant alien-like flower that grows over 3 feet wide, smells like decaying rotting meat, and has 0 leaves or roots. Deep in the rainforests of Sumatra and Borneo lies Rafflesia Arnoldii, the producer of the largest single flower on Earth, reaching over 1 meter in diameter and weighing up to 11 kilograms. This botanical anomaly completely redefines what a plant is. Rafflesia has no leaves, no stems, and no roots, meaning it cannot perform photosynthesis to produce energy. Instead, it lives as an invisible parasite inside woody vines, stealing nutrients until it bursts through the bark as a massive cabbage-like bud. When it finally blooms, it emits a foul odor resembling rotting flesh to attract carrion flies, which inadvertently pollinate the giant bloom during their search for decaying meat.
Number 3.
An entire forest of 40,000 trees in Utah is actually one single giant living creature sharing the exact same root system. At first glance, Fish Lake National Forest in Utah looks like a massive grove of tens of thousands of individual quaking aspen trees. But genetic testing revealed a mind-blowing secret. All 40,000 trees are actually genetically identical clones connected underground to a single massive root system. Named Pando, which is Latin for "I spread," this colossal organism covers over 100 acres and weighs an estimated 6 million kilograms, making it the heaviest known living organism on planet Earth. Scientists estimate that Pando's interconnected underground root network has been continuously growing and regenerating for over 80,000 years, making it older than modern human civilization.
Number 4.
Standing under this tree while it rains will cause your skin to blister, and burning its wood can permanently blind you. Found along coastal beaches in Florida and the Caribbean, the Manchineel Tree holds the Guinness World Record for the most dangerous tree in the world. Every part of this innocent-looking tree is packed with severe toxins. Its milky white sap contains phorbol, a volatile chemical compound so corrosive that taking shelter under the tree during a rainstorm will cause water droplets mixing with the sap to severely blister human skin. Eating its sweet apple-like fruit causes severe internal hemorrhaging, while burning the wood produces toxic smoke that can permanently blind anyone standing nearby, prompting coastal authorities to mark the trunks with bright red painted warning crosses.
Number 5.
Trees actually talk to each other underground and send food to sick neighboring trees using a fungal internet system. When you walk through a quiet forest, you might think trees are solitary competitors fighting for sunlight. In reality, trees are linked together in a complex social network dubbed the Wood Wide Web. Beneath the soil lies a vast network of microscopic fungal threads called mycorrhizae that wrap around tree roots, connecting entire forests. Through this biological internet, older mother trees distribute carbon, nitrogen, and water to younger shaded saplings. Even more incredible, when a tree is attacked by insects like pine beetles, it sends high-speed chemical warning signals through the fungal network, prompting neighboring trees to instantly produce protective toxins in their leaves before the pests arrive.
Number 6.
The Venus flytrap isn't just a meat-eating plant, it can actually count and calculate time to avoid wasting energy on fake trap. Carnivorous plants like the Venus flytrap grow in nutrient-poor bogs, relying on insects for essential nitrogen. But closing its snap trap requires immense cellular energy, so the plant evolved a genius mathematical defense mechanism. Inside each trap leaf sit tiny sensitive trigger hairs. If a falling raindrop or debris touches one hair once, nothing happens. To trigger the trap, an insect must touch a trigger hair twice within 20 seconds. This mechanical memory counter ensures the prey is real. Furthermore, as the trapped insect struggles, it touches the hairs 3 more times, signaling the plant to begin secreting digestive enzymes to break down the prey alive.
Number 7.
There is a plant in the desert that grows only 2 single leaves its entire life and can survive for over 2,000 years. In the scorching Namib Desert of southwestern Africa grows Welwitschia Mirabilis, one of the strangest and most resilient plants on Earth, described by botanists as a living fossil. This plant sprouts only 2 continuous leaves throughout its entire lifespan. Over centuries, punishing desert winds shred these 2 strap-like leaves into ribbon-like strips, making the plant look like a tangled pile of decaying sea kelp sitting in the sand. Welwitschia gets virtually 0 rainfall. Instead, its leaves feature specialized stomata designed to absorb moisture directly from ocean fog drifting off the Atlantic coast, allowing individual plants to survive in desolate desert landscapes for up to 2,000 years.